So Gidget got the city line put on there, and we're gonna go look at our diagram. What you doing now, Gidget?
Well, after you threw this in my hand and I caught it, I am going to thread this with it.
Okay.
It's what is it? Plumber's tape or something?
Oh. Okay. So here's the faucet piece. It's got a good on-off valve. Gidget really liked this because it was high. So when we first got it and moved into our house, all the faucets were really small and you couldn't get your hands hardly under them.
Well, you can wash pots and pans without difficulty either, and that's really annoying. You need a good high sink faucet when you're washing pots.
Wash your... You know the washer from top or bottom?
I think that would go on the top.
I have a couple of those that fold down, where like this piece folds down. I've seen them, but I couldn't figure out one that we could afford. So we gotta do it manually. Because Gidget and Aaron are Savannah, and on Aaron's money, and there ain't much. Make sure you got this washer in there. And then you'll connect that. Hopefully. What worries me is we're camping and it's going to be cold and it's going to be hard to turn. Okay, so that's done to there. Done this. Now we're actually going to foam this in so it doesn't move. But for right now, see, you gotta line that piece up and that piece up. And then it should turn.
Yep.
Water's on for turn.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, water coming out here.
Okay, the water is going through the lines. I can see it.
Any leaks?
Not that I can see of that, no.
Okay, turned it off. What are you getting? Is it filling up the tank?
No.
Okay, that valve is off, right? I heard a psst. What was that?
Okay, I do have a drip right here.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, I'll go turn that off. And then we'll release pressure. Let's go find where that leak is and stop it. Hey, Gidget.
Hi.
Can you turn around so everybody can see the back of that shirt?
Sure.
Guys, if you can, get your own A&G Adventures shirt. There'll be a link in the description below. Promised everyone we would film the final water resolution. Okay. So, if you saw the previous video, all the water lines leaked. What we had to do was return to the hardware store. And we found out the very hard way that you don't wrap fittings with nylon tape. I didn't know this. Okay, so we used joint compound that they recommend. Your city feeds in on this, goes over to this flexible fitting here, and then feeds out that way. Your pump is down here, and that can pump off the tank. It stays off when you're not using, when you're using the city water. Our on-off valve is right there. Tank holds 9.5 gallons of water, and it'll also feed right out the same thing. The way we designed this was that has a shower plug that we can feed either back into the building, or we can use it outside in a tent type setting. So there's your city, this is your tank, this is your overflow. None of it leaks anymore, which is great news. But we did promise we'd feed that. There's your drain line over here on the right side. That took several attempts to get correct. And your pump switch is part of this switch box that I put over here. Sound on? Okay. So we're going to put some water in the system. And then we're going to pump it out here. I'm gonna turn the water on real quick.
Do you need me inside to make sure it doesn't leak or anything? Yeah?
Yeah. Go run inside and make sure that it's not leaking. You don't need to lift the...
Yep.
Move the board out of the way.
Well,
Or can you see okay?
I can see okay. I don't see anything.
How high are we? Above the tree grade line?
Yeah, maybe 2 inches above the where the hose connection is. I don't see any leaks, so.
That's good. Alright, now gonna put this in here. Normally we'd have our sink and stuff through this, but this is just for example purposes.
Here, wait a second. I need to see it.
Do you want to come out here?
Ah! You took the camera.
Or at least let me get this and then you can watch from the inside, make sure we don't have any other. Okay.
Alright, I got it.
Alright. So this normally would go through the sink, but for right now we're just doing this as an example. Gotta get this turned in here. Okay, that's on. Okay.
Get it?
It's on, ready? Ready to go.
Does the pump need to be on from the
Yeah.
inside?
Yeah, and you can just do that from the switch.
The switch?
You walk in and pump the little circular
You mean
switch.
the switch right over there?
Yeah, the round one. We wired in last
The
week.
one closest to the door?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Try that again.
Then that would be this one. Ready?
Ready.
There it goes. Okay, let's hurry back up over here.
Okay, turn the water off. See? Look.
Yay. Oh, Aaron! Is it cold?
Not really.
Let me see. Oh, no, that's nice.
Okay, move the camera.
What?
Move the camera back. Go check the trailer for make sure it's not leaking. You see, it's got no noise right now. So,
Is it running out of water, I wonder?
no, I turned it off.
Oh,
On the
okay.
handle. You
Nope.
ready?
Yep, I'm still good. Nope, don't see anything.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and shut the pump off.
Okay.
Or hang it. Get this emptied out first. Let's just set the camera down. Come over here. Hand me the camera. Okay, come over here. You can try this. See, just all you do is just push that.
Woo.
There. See?
Oh, that does feel good. Mm.
And it's got, you know, a spray nozzle for a shower and stuff, but this is just the sink water.
You keep moving away from me. Why?
Well, I don't want to get you too wet.
Oh.
She does this sometimes in the waterfalls too. Just soak her whole head in there.
Yep. I'm
Okay.
gonna have to wash my hair now.
Okay, you gotta go check the system for leaks and stuff. And you shut the pump off, okay? Here, you hold the hose.
Got it.
And so thus is the success of our water system. That's right, guys. We're going to give away a Fennec dog this month to one of our members. So to support our channel, for as little as $1 a month, you can click on that join button and you have an opportunity to win a Fennec dog. Little cute dog with our dog on it. And they come in multiple colors. There yellow, blue, you name it.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.